There's no reason for this. There's no challenge. There's no previous recipe-ish. I just really fancy making burritos. Hi guys, welcome to Student Chow, the show where we try and cook recipes on a budget and try not to get into any more hot water than Logan Paul is currently in.
The best thing about this joke is I could have made it at any time. Doesn't matter. Could be a day, a week, a month, a year. It'll still be relevant. Also, make sure you keep an ear out for the next Student Chow ASMR. And don't forget to dab on those haters. He really was an idiot, wasn't he?
This week we're going to be making some burritos, but not just any. We're going to be making Peri Peri chicken burritos. It's going to have pineapple salsa. It's going to have cumin spiced beans and rice. It's going to be incredible. It's going to be even better than your nan does it. I'm so sorry. So this recipe starts with the rice. For that, we've taken a stock cube, added our water in. We're going to let it go all the way up to a boil and then turn it right down so it simmers and the rice absorbs all the water and kind of steams it off. We're also going to add in a teaspoon of cumin as well. Alright, while that's doing that, we're going to work on our peri peri marinade for the chicken. For this, it's going to be rosemary, thyme, bird's eye chilies, garlic, pepper, salt, olive oil, lemon and Greek yogurt just to bring that heat back down. Okay, now that we've combined all our ingredients sans the yogurt, we're going to grind it all together just so that it's got a chance to cover everything when we add the chicken in. Use something heavy. I'd use a pestle and mortar, but I don't have one, so a rolling pin and a bowl I have to do. Okay, so it's got a bit of heat to it, but it should be nice and fresh. So what we're going to do is we're going to butterfly our chicken and then add it, seal it with some cling film and then leave it for as long as possible. Considering this is a speed recipe, we're going to leave it for about half hour. Okay, chicken and rice is on the go, so we're now going to make up our salsa. So that's going to be pineapple and some sweet bell peppers. I'm going to char these off in a dry, hot pan, take them out, dice them up, throw onions and garlic in, take that out, mix it through the pineapple, and then add some coriander, salt and pepper. Okay, everything's ready to come together now. We're just going to cook off the chicken. So I've got a hot griddle, searingly, screamingly hot, like as hot as you can get it. We're going to add our chicken in and give it about 5 minutes on each side. Because we've butterflied it, it'll cook even quicker. And we're also going to heat up our rice, add the beans in and some chopped coriander just to give it that extra bit of kick. If you hear a humming noise, it's because I've had to put the extractor on, because lovely Nora, this is going to be fuming. Okay, so everything's ready to come together. I've just heated up my tortillas. What we're going to do is we're going to start with a bed of spinach, add some avocado, throw our rice on, throw our chicken on, throw our salsa on, cheese, fold it up, job's good. Okay guys, there we go. Colour wise, it's not my best work, but that's always room for improvement, and the final test is always how good it tastes, so here we go. It's great. I'm really glad I only used one chilli, because I think that might have overpowered it, but that pepper's really nice as well, nice char, and the cheese, a little bit extra to cut through. And of course that pineapple, nice little sour kind of kick that kind of counteracts everything else, gives it that little bit of sweetness to just take it up a notch. But yeah, give this recipe a go at home, follow us on all the social media, subscribe, give us a couple of quid on Patreon as well if you're that way inclined, it helps keep me doing this, and until then, see you next time. I'm going to finish meal prepping for the rest of the week now. Ta-ra! Okay, so since I started recording this episode and editing it, there's been a bit of a development. Sorted Food no longer allow users like myself to upload our own recipe content to their website. They had an update. This is because it's costly to host, as well as some people were just plagiarising recipes and uploading unoriginal stuff wholesale, basically. So thanks for that, guys. Well done. You ruined it for all of us. But I'll still be allowed to upload, or rather give suggestions to Sorted on what to cook, and that will go into their own revenued content like cookbooks, videos, podcasts, that kind of thing. So and our names will still be attached to it, so I guess it's kind of still free exposure, but I'll be moving away from that kind of thing. However, with every lost opportunity, there is a new opportunity, and therefore I'm happy to announce that we've launched our own website. So it's studentchow.org.uk. It's definitely org, and it's definitely an organisation, because there's no way I'm paying $1,500 for a year's worth of domain usage for .com. and that was put together over a weekend of stress work and open mouth shower crying. So yeah, that means that I'll also be coming off of Tumblr, and I'll be using that platform, my own website, to host my editorials that I used to do. I'm really keen to get back into that and writing some pieces here and there, as well as uploading my own recipes, and that will be under two separate categories: the legacy recipes, which I'm going to start transferring over, and as well as some stuff here and there for Dinner by Dice. And I'm just really excited. I had fun building my own website, so go check it out. We've got it for 2 years, so I've got 2 years to kind of make this thing, and hopefully in that period we'll get the ball rolling. If you want to help contribute, obviously you can give some money on Patreon, or you can share this video, share the channel, share the website. Any help is good help, and hopefully we'll see what we can do. I just really hope that this isn't a shady move by Sorted to kind of exploit the community for crowdsourced recipes. But then again, shady YouTubers are a dime a dozen at the moment. God, this is going to be really weird to explain to Mum.